This is going to be our third year of a fundraiser to raise money for Meals on Wheels. Meals on Wheels serves over 80 people twice a week a hot meal that is cooked by our volunteers and then delivered to their homes. And it's wonderful. The people that you deliver to are waiting to see your cheerful face delivering the food, and they're so happy to have these good meals. So we decided that maybe it would be a good thing to start fundraising so that the church did not have to support Meals on Wheels, and we could have a way that it would be out on its own. This will be our third year. It will be on November 25th, Saturday, from 4:30 to 8 p.m. at Club Cacatillo in Paradera. There will be things for everyone, children, adults. There will be food. We will sell tickets starting in October, but you can come and buy food. We will have games. We will have entertainment by Lady DJ, who is celebrating 40 years. And we'll also have Nico Connor and his brother doing the steel drums. We will have the silent auction where you might buy your Christmas gifts. We've had a lot of local businesses support us with gift certificates and items. And if an item is worth 60 florins, we will start it at 35 florins, and you will put your number down. The next person says, oh, I want that. They'll put 40 florins. And we'll keep going up until 8 o'clock at night, and the highest bidder will win it. If you're unable to attend the event, you can go on to Aruba Bank and make a deposit. And all you need to do is put Meals on Wheels, the amount you're paying, and the account number. When we hear of someone that needs help with food, whether it be an elderly person or a family whose father and mother are out of work, we go through the social services. That's how we know what families do need it. So it's unbelievable how many people want help. So we need more volunteers. So we're hoping that in the next few years we can get more volunteers, maybe get other church groups to work with us and spread it more around the island. They're getting calls for more people, and so we're going to have to step up with our cooks. The meals are cooked starting at 8 a.m. on Tuesdays and 8 a.m. on Fridays. By 11:15, 11:30, they start loading the van. The van was purchased last year. Minivan was purchased from the money we raised the last 2 years for the food extravaganza and silent auction. So Aruba, you're doing a great job supporting the Meals on Wheels, and let's even get it better this year. If you need a deduction before the 31st of December, people with the businesses, please donate. It's a great cause, and we're helping our elderly that maybe don't even have a hot meal, don't have someone to cook for them. So please think about us, Meals on Wheels, and they are their own group, but they're supported by the Aruba Methodist Circuit. When there were no funds, the Aruba Methodist Circuit gave the money for it.